To install Google Text-to-Speak voice data in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the out screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select language and input, and then tap text to speak output. And if your preferred engine set as Samsung text to speak, change to Google text to speak engine. Tap preferred engine and then select Google text to speak engine. Okay, and tap back button. Select settings icon, and then tap install voice data. Select voice data you want to install, for example Arabic, and then tap download icon to download. Please wait until process complete downloading. Can select voice.
هذا مثال لتوليد الكلام في اللغة العربية. هذا مثال لتوليد الكلام في اللغة العربية.
And then tap back button to back. Now Arabic was installed. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.